In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 12.2, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter 24 centimeter. What we are having solid iron pole, its height is 220 centimeter and base diameter is what? 24 centimeter. Clear? Which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. This solid iron pole is surmounted by another cylinder having height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Clear? Then we are getting shape like this. Observe what we are having in the question. We are having one solid iron pole, height 220 centimeter and base diameter is 24 centimeter, which is this solid iron pole is surmounted by another cylinder having height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Clear? Then we are getting this type of figure, shape. Clear? Find the mass of the pole. We require the mass of this solid iron pole. Whatever structure we are getting, we require mass of this iron pole. Given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. One thing in the question we are having 1 centimeter cube, this is very important. 1 centimeter cube, and centimeter cube is the unit of volume. It means 1 centimeter cube volume iron pole having mass 8 gram. It means whatever volume of this solid iron pole we are having, that one will be multiplied by 8, then we are getting mass of this pole. Yes or no? 1 centimeter cube, it means we require volume. Centimeter cube is the unit of the volume. It means once we know the volume of this solid iron pole, once we calculated volume of this solid iron pole, that one is the total. 1 centimeter cube we are having 8 gram mass. 1 centimeter cube having 8 gram mass. Whatever total volume will be multiplied by 8 gram, then we are getting what? Mass of the pole. And this thing we want. So we are considering what we want to calculate: volume of iron pole, volume of this shape. So in this shape we are having two cylinders. So I am taking this one as a cylinder 1 and this one as a cylinder 2, and cylinder 1 height is h1 equal to 220 centimeter given in the question. In the and the diameter of cylinder 1 is 24 centimeter, and half of the diameter will be the what? Radius. So r1 equal to 24 by 2, then we are getting 12 centimeter. Clear? We are surmounting this one. So its height h2 equal to 60 centimeter. We are taking this one as a cylinder 2, and its height h2 equal to 60 centimeter, and its radius is what? R2 equal to 8 centimeter. Now we require volume, total volume. Volume of iron pole equal to volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder. Both cylinders volume once we add, then we are getting total volume. Clear? Now write the formula. Volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r square h. But first cylinder height h1 and radius r1, so we are writing pi r1 square h1 plus volume of a second cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r square h. But for the second, height is h2 and radius r2, pi r2 square h2. Clear? All things. Pi we will use 3.14. Value of pi we will put 3.14. No problem. R1, H1, R2, S2, all things we are having in the question. We will put and solve, then we are getting volume. But we require mass. we don't want what volume, we require what mass. So I am just calculating pi, taking as a common r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. Clear? Now put the values. Pi is 3.14 into r1 is 12 square into h1 is what 220 plus r2 square is the 8 radius, 8 square into h2 is what 60, now solve. 3.14 into 12 square will be 144 into 220 plus this is what 8. So what about the 8 square? 64 into 60. Clear? Now multiply, add and then multiply. 3.14 into multiplication of this 144 into 22, 144 into 22, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 8 plus 8 16, 1 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 1 is remaining 3, 3168, but there is 0, so we will put 0 there. Clear? Plus multiply both. 0 6 4 ja 24, 2 is remaining, 6 6 ja 36, 36 plus 2 38. So this can be written as 3.14 into, add both. At the unit place we are having 0, 8 plus 4 12, 2 1, 1 is remaining, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 1 5, 15, 5 is there, 1 is remaining, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5 and 3, and this is what centimeter cube. This is what 3.14 into 35,520 centimeter cube. This is what volume of this iron pole, but we require what mass of the pole. Mass of the pole we want to calculate. So observe, we will no necessary to multiply this one because we require what mass of the pole. What we want? Mass of the pole. So I am writing this side what given, also given what we are having 1 centimeter cube of iron, 1 centimeter cube of iron has mass equal to 8 gram. 8 gram, this can be written as 8 upon 1000 kg. 1 centimeter cube of iron pole having mass 8 gram, and gram into kg we will divide from 1000. Clear? Now we are having total volume of this iron pole is this one. So 3.14 into 35520 centimeter cube of iron pole has mass equal to 3.14 into 35520 into 8 upon 1000. We will multiply 1 centimeter cube having this mass in kg. Now total volume we are having this one, we will multiply this from this one we are writing. Clear? Now multiply 3.14 into, multiply this one, 0, 8 2 ja 16, 1 is remaining, 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 1 41, 4 is remaining, 8 5 ja 40, 40 plus 4 44, 4 is remaining. 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 4 28 divided of 1000. Convert into decimal. Then what we are getting? 3.14 into 284.1600. And once we multiply this one, then we are getting 892. Multiply, then we are getting 892.26 kg, and this is mass of this iron pole, and this thing we require. So we obtain this one. 892.26 kg will be mass of this iron pole. Observe again, simple question. In the question we are having one solid iron pole having height 220 centimeter and diameter is what? 24. Base diameter is 24 centimeter. Another cylinder is surmounted on this pole, and another cylinder height is 60 centimeter and base radius is what? 8 centimeter. Clear? We require the total mass. But in the question, to find this one total mass, in the question one thing given, 1 centimeter cube iron has mass 8 gram. 1 centimeter. Whatever mass, whatever volume this having, 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube showing volume. It means we want to find the volume of this solid iron pole, or we can say this solid. So volume of iron pole will be what? Volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder. This is one I am taking as a first, this one is a second. First cylinder height H1 is 220 centimeter, R1 is what? 12 centimeters. And second cylinder height is S2 equal to 60 centimeter, and base radius is R2 equal to 8 centimeter. Now we know well the formula of volume of a cylinder, pi R square H for the one, pi R1 square H1 plus pi R2 square H2 for the second cylinder. Then we are putting the values and solving, we are getting what? Volume of iron pole, volume of this iron pole. We require mass of pole, 1 centimeter cube of iron pole having mass 8 gram. Gram into kg we will divide from 1000, and we obtain the total volume. So this volume will be multiplied by this one, 8 upon 1000 kg. Then we are getting what? Total mass of this iron pole, and this one is what? 892.26 kg will be what? Total mass of this iron pole. It's 1 centimeter cube iron pole having 8 gram only, but for this volume we are having 892.26 kg, and this one is what? Required answer. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.